beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden alone with the sunshine. There's gotta be a little rain sometimes. When you take, you gotta give. So live and let go. Oh, 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 oh. I beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden. I could promise you things like big diamond rings, but you don't find roses growing on the stalks of clover. So you better think it over. Well, if sweet talking you could make it come through, I would give you the world right now on a silver platter. But what would it matter? So smile for a while and let's be jolly. Love shouldn't be so melancholy. Come along and share the good times while we can. I beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden alone with the sunshine. There's gotta be a little rain sometimes. I beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden. I could sing you a tune and promise you the moon, but if that's what it takes to hold you, I'd just as soon let you go. But there's one thing I want you to know. You better look before you leap. The waters run deep, and there won't always be someone there to pull you out. And you know what I'm talking about. So smile for a while and let's be jolly. Love shouldn't be so melancholy. Come along and share the good times while we can. I beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden alone with the sunshine. There's gotta be a little rain sometimes. I beg your pardon. I never promised you a rose garden alone with the sunshine. There's gotta be